Stacy's putting the finishing touches on her motor. What you putting on there?
That's a water block off, isn't it?
Oil block off.
Oil block off. Yeah. Yeah. It looks fantastic. You did a good job on these valve covers. And I love these red MSD coils on here. I'm all about the pretty shiny.
Absolutely.
But that was very sinister looking. I love it.
And
Love it.
so and I'm still going to pull this out and tap it because they're just sitting on here. Stacy got to build do her trunnion upgrade tomorrow or this evening. I'm going to pull these out and I'm going to tap it and just make that for the motor. Put some Roadrunner fittings in her. So I was going to put the Holley small block valve covers on it. But believe it or not, we're still trying to keep this thing on a budget. So Stacy has pretty much blown her budget. Blown. Gone. Ooh.
There's not a budget when you're the best wife money can buy.
There is a budget when it's the brokest husband that anybody's seen. When you're the best wife money can buy, the husband's usually broke. So instead of doing that, I just got some of the VHT wrinkle paint, and I wrinkle painted the valve covers, and I found this black metallic that I did the blocking stuff with. It looks pretty good.
I like the way it looks. It looks really good.
It's all blacked out, all hollied out. Today, after I jumped ahead of myself and blew the cam phaser apart, so I had to order a new cam phaser, which I got today. Put the camshaft in it, buttoned all the front end up on it, and then we went to putting the cool ass
Holley
Holley
accessory
mid-mount
drive.
system on it.
Yeah.
So it's still staying with the theme that about everything on this car is Holley. Everything on the motor is Holley except for Straub.
Yep.
Straub did the camshaft. Porton by Puddin did the heads.
Mm-hmm.
Billy. Stacy's one that nicknamed him Ported by Puddin. And it all goes back to Puddin Pops. But we'll talk about that at a later date.
Yeah. Oh, I think that they need to engrave the heads now that say ported by Puddin. They need a little tag.
PBP.
Yeah.
PBP.
No. Triple P. Ported. Oh.
See? I told you were kind of having some blonde moments today.
I am kind of blonde
And
today.
you just blonded it out on social media.
Oh, well.
Oh, well.
This is reality Facebook.
So, doing a little dress up with some stainless coil bolts that I had left over. So we got to find a few more of them. Do the valve covers. Those valve covers, that's what I think so ugly about these motors, these valve covers. But I think they look pretty good. When we tap this, we'll put a AN fitting in it. I'll put like an 8 to 10, and we'll bend it over to the catch can.
Let's get it all around. Yeah, this motor looks amazing.
It's the Holley swap pan. Of course, this is the one that comes with the ATI balancer. And that's all I run is ATI. Everything I have is all ATI. I run ATI balancers on everything. And we're doing drive-by-wire with it tomorrow. Thursday. Thursday, all the other stuff will be here.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
So, we'll see about, we gotta get the transmission out of the back. I've got one that's been rebuilt back there and I got a little B&M torque master converter because I want to keep the lockup in it. As soon as my motor mounts gets here, I got 5 sets of them LS mounts and cannot find one complete set. There's one missing.
Yeah. But today's goal was to assemble the motor. So, mission accomplished. Good job.
We got to get the rocker trunnion on, swing both the valve covers, because I don't know which sensors we have to put back in this. We'll have to look at the harness, because I think I ordered a late harness, but I think I have an early harness. And, I just noticed something.
You can always call our LT Tech line in Texas.
Guess what I just noticed?
What?
Yep, it's on backwards.
What?
The lid.
Oh.
We need to pull this lid off,
Flip.
spin it, and spin the whole intake.
Oh.
See where the vacuum ports are coming out up here? Those should be coming out in the back.
Is that what this?
Yep.
Yeah.
So, and I won't put an air temp sensor in it because the idea behind this car is 100% naturally aspirated. It's never going to have a power adder on it. But the pan's already tapped for a turbo. Stace.
Huh?
It's already tapped for a turbo.
Is it?
Yeah, see that? See that right there? That was a turbo pan.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, I don't think Rick would have a problem hanging a 78 right over
I'm
here.
sure Rick wouldn't. I like it.
Actually, guys, I'll tell you what. Let's do this. Let's do a little thing about what everybody thinks this horsepower, what horsepower this thing's going to make. So tomorrow, let's do a video,
Okay.
and we'll do a giveaway on whoever can guess the closest to the horsepower this makes.
Okay.
That way, I can give everybody the camshaft specs and everything, because we got some guys on here that I know they're going to hit the Google. They're going to be calling their engine builder, and be going, "Hey, I want to win this." I don't even know what we're going to give away, but it'd be something cool.
Yep.
You know what that means?
Your day's done for now.
My day's pretty much done. I'm done.
Yep. Yep.
I'm out.
We're out.